to open SIM slot on the Redmi Note 14S. Let me quickly show you how you can do this. And first of all, you will need this SIM tool, SIM pin, or whatever you call it. It comes included in your box with your phone. And on the left side of your phone, right here, you will be able to find the SIM tray. And here is the little hole. So you'll have to put this SIM tool into this hole right here. Let's put it gently. And from here, put it all the way in, and as this SIM tool resists, you will from here have to push until this SIM tray ejects. As you can see, it has been ejected, and from here you are able to grab it with your nails. And even though if you're having short nails, you can grab it with no problem, and from here you can take it out just like this. As you can see, it is coming out with no problem. And actually, if you are doing it for the first time, if you're taking this SIM tray for the first time, it might be actually a little bit tricky. It might be hard to get it out, but it actually you'll have to be patient and gentle not to actually damage anything. And as you can see, that's how to basically open the SIM slot on the Redmi Note 14S.